Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another session of the Erasmus Academy, the packaged version. And this is Ron Dittmars talking to you from the recording studio in Brooklyn, New York. And we're going to give you an overview first of the course, since this is the very first lesson. It'll be a brief one and succinct one, and then we'll go over the subject, the lesson number one. So we'll go through the whole lesson, and this sheet that you see on the screen is the assignment sheet, but it gives us a nice occasion to look at the different components that make up this course. Okay, so this is, you see here all the different components, starting with the German alphabet and pronunciation, the grammar introduction, which would be chapter 1. And this is every lesson actually begins with a grammar introduction. So as you're listening to them, you will have an overview of the most important, the most salient items in the chapter. It's probably important to, the best sequence is to read the chapter first on your own, and then listen to the introduction, which covers and emphasizes certain things that are more important than other things, for example. Then once that has been done, going through the whole chapter, we'll also at that time look at some of the vocabulary in that list. Each chapter has a Grundwortschatz, so-called, a foundational vocabulary treasure, which the word means literally. And then after having done that, we'll do some vocabulary study from the 100 important stems. And our assignment for the first lesson is learning the words and the word families in numbers 1 through 4. And then we'll look at easy key vocabulary, which introduces vocabulary also in word families and gives a lot more etymological connection, if there are those, between German and English. And then the Yannick 1980 edition. We'll go over 1905 edition, the workbook, and the composition. And then actually at the end, even though lesson number 1 doesn't have a quiz, lesson number 2 will actually begin with a quiz, but the proper sequence is to go through all of this and then move your cursor back to the beginning of the lesson and then take the quiz yourself. Or obviously you'll have the quiz in your packet, and you would just take it and then check for accuracy with the recording. Okay, so let's see. That's a general overview, and I'm gonna see if I can. Let's see here. Okay. Let's see here. All right. So that's 16, and I have the volume up a bit. Maybe the volume is too loud. I have it here way up at the top. Okay, so I'm going to stop right now.